Hello, how you guys doing, man? This is Anders Okela from FX Traders. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's NFP, it's Friday, the first week of the month. NFP. Okay, so if you're still using my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, man. I'm gonna be dropping a dope setup that's gonna happen around about 2 because it's kind of like 10 past 11 right now. So this is a setup you guys have to be looking forward for to, so there's nothing 100%, as we all know. So we're just going to be trading high probability setup and actually hoping the market will go our direction. So if you're still new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and you like right now. So let's just go into it. So this is the setup I have of the yen, of the euro against the yen. Just looking at the monthly time frame, guys, we have a huge confirmation. You can see here the setup here. Let me just see here. We have a lot of spike candles here. So by just looking at the spikes, we have a lot of rejection at this point. We have a lot of rejection. So this is a significant an SNR flip. So let me just explain an SNR flip. So at this point, the price was just hitting here, was hitting support, and then it decided to break. So this level here is it's testing for the first time after breaking the supports. So if I could just draw a nice horizontal line at this point, you see this is the nice level of support and resistance. So it's just a swap zone. So if you can just see at this point, we are exactly at the point where the price decided to break the support structure here. So it's broken the support structure. So this is the first time it's testing it. So if you could just zoom in a bit, so this is the highest point the price has go. So this is the high. So this is the high. So at this point, this is where the price might resist. So it might just reject at this point and decide to go down a bit. So this is the monthly time frame. So you have a nice confirmation on the monthly if the price decides to go down a bit and go somewhere here. If you are a positional trader, someone who's a positional trader is someone who holds trades long term. So this is a nice setup, guys. Going on the lower time frame, going to a bit lower on the weekly time frame. I think we still have the same confirmation we have on the monthly time frame. So you can see here the price is rejected. So here, if I could zoom here, probably you have a nice base. Let me just go and look for a base candle. Probably you have a nice base candle here. Okay, let me just clear it here at this point. So here you see we had exactly just like I said. So we had the nice base candle here, just where the price broken the support zone. So this was a nice support. If I just draw a horizontal line here, so guys, please pay attention to the spike candles. Make sure you pay attention. So you see the spike. So these are rejection and this is the base. So your stop loss just needs to be above this base candle. So if I could just highlight the entire zone going to the point where I entered, you see I'm exactly at the base candle. So this is a nice sell zone. So if this setup fails, probably they will go for this base. No, but this base is too high. So I'm just gonna take the first one and make a stop loss a bit tighter, just above the base candle. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what happened on the daily. So the daily has the same setup as well, because it's not further apart with the weekly. So I have my entry point, my take profit just here. I already took this trade for quite some time, guys. This is my first fund. This is not a demo. This is my first fund challenge. So for those who know, my first fund is a platform that we use to actually get big funds. So nevertheless, so we already token this trade, already on profit. So I'm just waiting for this setup to just drop a bit and hit me my take profit and go out. So I'm already on profit. I don't like using moving my stop at this point, because the price might spike up and then decide to go down a bit. So now I will lose my whole profits. So it's a bit of a disadvantage if I decide to take that route. So this is my take profit. This is my target of my challenge already, because you can see here I'm already on. Let me see. Okay, I'm already on. Okay, let me check the profits. Check the profits. Let's check the profit. So I'm already on $400 in profit, right? So I'm just waiting for $400 in another profit so I could actually pass this challenge, né? Because it's you just need 8%, né? So if the price decides to drop here, I'm already gonna be passing this challenge, né? So let's just hope that the price is gonna drop. So this, I'm expecting the price to just hit here, my take profits, and go down a bit. So if you go in 4 hour, you have a nice Quasimodo on 4 hour. Quasimodo on 4 hours. This is a nice Quasimodo. This is, we have a shoulder and we have a head. So just draw a horizontal line on the Quasimodo. So there it is. So that's the Quasimodo. You see here a nice level of support. You see spike, and another spike. So just highlight this entire zone. This entire zone is actually telling us where the price might go. So let me just highlight it for you. Highlight this entire zone. So already you have a head and shoulder. So you can see here, this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is another shoulder. Already the price has broken the neck of the shoulder. This was the neck of the shoulder. This is another confirmation of making this price a high probability. So this was just the retest at this point. So it's testing the neck. So the price, I'm expecting the price to just go further down. There are so many confirmation here. So there's the Quasimodo here at this zone here. Let me just QML. So at this point, a nice Quasimodo here. So the price might drop here, but if you not doing perform, just doing your own account, you can put your take profit at this point. This is the highest point. The price is gonna go down. I'm expecting the price to go down that further. So another setup that is a high probability. Let's just check here at the yen. This one was a bit tricky. This one, it was just a simple FTR, but I didn't post it because of some few reasons. So I'm not gonna post it. So again, so unless you get the USD ZAR, the rand against the dollar. So let's just go here. This is a nice Quasimodo, but bear in mind this is very dangerous, guys. You know, Quasimodo on USD ZAR doesn't always go very well. So this, we have a shoulder here, we have a head, and then we have this base candle. So let me just highlight the base for you. There's the base candle, highlighting it here. So there's the base. So you see that they rejected exactly at the base. So at this point, guys, I want you to hear me properly when I'm talking about this. The stop loss, your tight stop loss might be here, right? But your proper stop loss has to be above the head, because there's a lot of manipulation when it comes to base candle. The price might go up a bit and then took your stop loss out and then decide to go down. So it might be frustrating for you. So make sure, I saw a lot of people commenting and saying it hit your stop loss, because they don't know where do I put my stop loss. They just see my yellow highlight zone and they actually think that my stop loss is there, but my stop loss is always far from my yellow line. I always protect my stop loss by just putting it on the above the head. So just my stop loss is gonna be above this head, and then your QML. There's your QML here. There's your QML, your left shoulder. This is your QML, and then what you have your highlight zone. So you have this. I'm not a fan of this pattern, but you can see it for more confluence. The butterfly here. Let me just show you the butterfly. So you have a butterfly here. 1, 2, 3. You see, this is a butterfly. So you can see here the price was doing a bit of a divergence. this is a bit of a divergence at this point. So this just completing the butterfly. The butterfly. Let me just put it at this point. Okay, here 2, 3. So this is completing the butterfly. So this is a nice setup as well. You can actually go for a sell from the USD ZAR. So guys, do me a favor. Make sure you subscribe. Please just click the subscribe button. This means a lot for me. Just click the subscribe button and love and comment and tell me what you think of this setup before the NFP starts. I think it's past 2. Then there's gonna be an event, so I'm expecting a sell here, and the euro, yen, and another sell. So let's just hope things are gonna go our way. Make sure you use a stop loss, guys. Don't use a stop loss. Don't do what these guys are telling you. Use a stop loss. Stop loss is very important. You don't want to lose your money. So stop loss, I always, I know that the market can be really frustrated sometimes. Hit your stop loss and go to the right direction, but it's very important for an individual or a retail trader to protect their funds by using a stop loss. So use a stop loss. If you're still new, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want a recommended broker, just ask on the comment below. I'm gonna give you a recommended broker that I think is good. If you want a prop firm broker as well, I'm gonna give you a good prop firm broker as well. So bye for now. Let's just hope things will go our way, man. So ciao.